Thanks to the captors on the corners of the rear bumper, this system alerts you to the potentially dangerous presence of a vehicle in your blind spots. This system alerts you to the rapid approach of vehicles arriving behind you up to approximately 70 meters away. To alert you to the presence of a vehicle in your blind spots, a light appears on the wing mirror on the side concerned. A fixed light appears immediately when you are being overtaken. A flashing light appears after approximately 1 second when you overtake a vehicle and the direction indicator is in use. You can activate or deactivate the system in the ADAS application on the touchscreen. The system is operative when all the vehicles are driving in the same direction and in adjacent lanes, when you are driving at a speed between 0 and 180 kilometers per hour, when the speed difference is less than 10 kilometers per hour when you overtake a vehicle, when the speed difference is less than 25 kilometers per hour when you are being overtaken, when you are not towing a trailer or caravan. There is no alert in the case of inanimate objects, cars driving in the opposite direction, on winding roads or sharp bends, or if you overtake a very long vehicle which is detected in a blind spot behind you and remains present in your forward field of vision, or if the traffic is very dense.